This is the Jaguar CX-17. It is the most radical Jaguar in recent times, and quite possibly the most important car in Jag's history. At the moment, Jaguar bosses are still saying that this car is only a concept, but ignore that. Let me tell you, I'd bet my house that this car will be on sale by the end of 2015, because quite simply, Jag cannot afford not to be in the SUV market. It's the fastest growing in the premium sector, and it will give you Jaguar something that they've never had before, a radical, different, new, modern car, which is why it is so important. I'm pretty confident that the exterior of the CX-17 will be pretty close to the actual production version, just remove some of the showbiz. When it comes to the interior, I think that this, what you're seeing here, is going to be the new dashboard of future Jags. However, areas like the seats and some of the other very high-tech, modern stuff on the inside, I don't think that's going to make it into production. But the designers are already working on the interior of this car now. The engineers have already got prototypes of this car out on the roads of the West Midlands. This car is now being given maximum attention by Jaguar. It's way too early to talk about prices for this car, but the one thing I can tell you, it needs to be very competitive against the other premium players. I see it sitting somewhere between an Audi Q5 and in between a Porsche Cayenne and their new smaller model, the Macan. What this car needs to be is a car that outdrives both of those. It already looks better than both of those. So if Jaguar can deliver what they've been doing for the last 4 to 5 years,